Hi, welcome to Tea with Jan. I am Jan. Today, we're gonna check out Bird and Blend's monthly tea club. And I know you might be like, Jan, why are there bunnies on that? It is because we are in a global pandemic and Canada Post and all the postal systems, I think, have slowed down a bit. And that is completely okay. Late tea is better than never tea. So it took me quite a bit to get this, but it finally arrived. So excited. Let's pop it open. How do we pop it open? But I do love how it's like so adorable. All right, you guys. I don't want to like cut into the tea inside it. Now I did have this another month and I don't think I shared that with you guys. And in my first one, I did get a spoon from them. So let's see. Tea Club, and it tells us what's in it. Oh my gosh, I think I just saw one. It was one that I was hoping that I could get. Ah. All right, so Bird and Blend is a tea company out of the UK and they make spectacular blends. I've only tried a few of them. They were pretty friggin' snazzy and I always hear everybody go on about them. I am definitely going to be getting their advent calendar for this year for Vlogmas. So if you're not already, now it's a great time to hit that subscribe button and follow along. So this here tea club, I will put the prices all up on what it cost me. That is the thing about living in Canada and getting everything shipped to us, is that things are usually a little bit more expensive than what we would like. That being said, I love trying new teas. I am so excited. I know that this is like their Easter collection and I do not care. We have Bird and Blend's cream egg. I am so excited about that. We have Easter egg nest and Simnels. I've never heard of this before. It's a cake, I guess. Fluffy fruit cake and marzipan in a mug. I do know I love marzipan, so we're gonna take that. Cream egg says the ultimate vegan chocolate Easter tea. And Easter egg nest says the best Easter treat to make as kids. Homemade crispy egg nests. So fun. Let's open up cream egg because that is the one that I am so excited for. Oh, it's chocolatey. I don't know what I was expecting. Whoa, whoa. It literally smells like a cream egg. That is so interesting. All right. You will probably see these in a vlog coming soon to you. I'm sure I will be testing them out and wanting to share them with you. I will see you in the comments. Until next time, take care. Bye.